Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ignore files on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that, you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you will need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle, identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that, it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. And now after that you have just connected to your GitHub, you will need to start a command prompt or just open the git bash and then it will be open. Now we will need to add a git ignore or create a git ignore file. So basically we are just going to add a command that is touch and add the git ignore file. And now that we have just created the git ignore, and make sure first that you are in your directory or your repository directory, and then just add this file. After that, we will need to add the files that we don't want or that we want to ignore on this file. And now we need to start to editing on this file, for example cat, or you can add file or any text editor that you want. You start editing on this file. So basically you need just to add some configuration, like just add a hashtag, a hashtag sign, and then start to add ignore, and then we will need to start to add the name of the files. Otherwise, if you want already to ignore the local files or the files that are already contained, you will need just to add git rm, and then here we will need to just like that, I forgot it, then cached, and then you will need to add the file name. Just go back, git rm, remove, and then the cached here and the file name. So any file name here, and then you will have ignored files for your GitHub. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.